Hi, welcome back to olyscuisines channel here on YouTube, and I have an Instagram channel, so you would want to check that out. Okay, so this is the type of egg sauce that you want to enjoy once in a while. I said once in a while because I use sausages for this recipe, and sausages are processed meat, so you shouldn't take a lot of that. And using sausages for this recipe is also optional. So I was just arranging all I needed to make the egg sauce with the spring onion, the carrots, all the spices I needed. And by the way, if you're looking for a trusted vendor that sells spices, Pack to Pot Spice on Instagram is the vendor for you.
Drumming on the beat.